Vijay Kao joins us from the Supreme Court, and also with Vijay is Kunal Shankar, who witnessed the entire proceedings. Vijay, I want you to ask Kunal to take us through exactly the whole proceedings. What happened? What were the significant observations of the judges? And is this the absolute end? Has the Supreme Court closed any and every door of appeal?
Exactly, Akash. I will straight away toss to Kunal. Kunal, we just take us through what exactly happened inside the courtroom.
Well, Vijay, it was a detailed order given by Justice Aftab Alam, who had led the bench. First and foremost, the death sentence to Ajmal Kasab has been upheld. In fact, if I can just read out the exact lines that Justice Alam said, he said, "We are constrained to, and we have no other option but to uphold the death sentence in this case." He also pointed out three other vital issues that were raised by Raju Ramachandran, the amicus and counsel provided by the Supreme Court for Ajmal Kasab. One, the main point being that whether he was denied counsel at the time of trial. Justice Alam said that in fact the Indian state and the state of Maharashtra was constantly trying to offer counsel to Ajmal Kasab. He spurned the various efforts made by the state, refusing particularly Indian counsel, only seeking a Pakistani counsel.
Okay.
When the state had actually shown concern that it is not going to be possible at a much later stage, Ajmal Kasab himself accepted that. That is one of the first points. He also made a distinction between whether the counsel was provided at the time of trial or at the pre-commencement of trial, saying that indeed he was provided at the time of trial. The other point is on the charge of conspiracy. In fact, Justice Alam said the main charge against Ajmal Kasab is waging war against the nation, and that charge is upheld. And if you go by that charge, he is indeed someone who has to be given the death sentence.
Okay.
And he concurred with the trial court as well as the Bombay High Court order, and subsequently upheld that order. So what this essentially means is that Ajmal Kasab has lost his mercy plea in the Supreme Court, and the state of Maharashtra has won, and the sentence of death has been upheld.
Clearly, Akash, three main points.
Okay.
First, the court said that they have no other option left but to give him a death sentence. Point number two being that he's been charged with waging war against India.
All right.
These are the two main points on the basis of which the Supreme Court took the decision today.